I'm back in my bathroom today because someone asked me to try and film a makeup tutorial type thing, and honestly, it's really daunting, okay? It's very daunting to try and make a makeup tutorial as a man or a boy because there's this stereotype around makeup that it's only for girls. And if you are a male who wears makeup, you receive more hate than love, okay? And it can be from your family, your friends, people you've known since childhood. But despite that, I'm gonna try and do it. So if you know me in real life and you don't know that sometimes I like to wear makeup, then either stay tuned, keep on watching, or you can exit this page, you can unsubscribe, you can do whatever. I have a mirror down here, so if I'm looking down here, that's what I'm doing. But back to what I was saying, I feel like beauty, like codes in terms for, you know, the stereotypical like, men can't wear makeup, men can't do this, women shouldn't do this. Like, frankly, it's all kind of just BS, if I'm being completely honest. If you're a male and say you want to try makeup, just try it. Just do it because, just do it, Nike, not sponsored. But life motto that I like to live by, just do it, okay? Because if someone's gonna come at you and they're gonna say, oh, you're a male, you can't wear makeup, just come at them with this. What actor did you watch last night? They were wearing makeup. What music singer do you like? They were wearing makeup. So many males in any industry like to wear makeup. And the stigmatization around males wearing makeup is frankly stupid because, we all just want to wear makeup because it gives us that extra little thing that makes us feel special. You may have that without it, but for some people, makeup gives them that. If you want to do makeup or get into makeup or just wear something simple and you're a male, just do it. The same thing goes if you're a female. If you're a female and you are told that you can't do something because you're a female, screw that, okay? It's 2018. The basic general codes to what a male and female should be doing should no longer really apply because so much has happened since the laws and all of that stuff was written for us using Maybelline or whatever. And so prescribing to that is frankly really stupid. And not stupid in the sense that, oh, I don't like this, it's dumb. Stupid in the sense that there's no cause, there's no need to limit what a female or a male can do, because that's really not what this society needs. What this society needs is acceptance, because if you look at every single problem, it's because maybe two things: comparison or not accepting what another person is or what they're doing. So it's Chris from editing here. So in this part, I'm not really making sense, but the overall message that I wanted to convey in this part was that if you're comparing yourself to other people, you really shouldn't be doing that because your progress and their progress are different. So comparing yourself to them will only do you harm. And so with that being said, you have to accept yourself and accept what you're going through and the progress that you're making. And only then can you actually make real progress. So back to this stigmatization about men wearing makeup. if you're a male and you wear makeup and someone says shit about this, then can you do it better? Real question. Because if you can't, then why are you talking? And then back to all of the stereotypes around makeup. Yes, there are beauty gurus who are males who happen to be gay. There are people in everyday who are males who happen to be gay that wear makeup. But that doesn't mean if you wear makeup and you're male that you're gay. It just means that you wanted to wear makeup. There's no specific ties between a product and who you are. Oh. Blush. This is really ratchet. It's just like a makeup revolution, but I dropped it and it broke, so I used tape to fix it. DIY hack for y'all. But yeah, if you feel like you want to try makeup and you're a male, just do it. And if you're a girl and you're trapped in the basic stereotypical norms that come with being a male, because that come with being a female, then, and you want to break them, and you can, like, you're in the place in your life where you can, do it. Because if you're doing that, you're paving the way for the people that come after you. Being a person who experiences stereotypes, it feels like you're defined by them. And you can't really do or be anything else. And there's gonna be people that are probably in the comments and be like, oh, then don't be that stereotype or like ignore them. But it's hard. It's hard to just, ignore people, especially if they're people that you love. Because the people that you love, and if they're placing a stereotype on you, and they're supposed to know you the best, right? And if there's someone that you love and they're placing this stereotype on you that you don't identify with, then it hurts. I don't really have to do much for my eyebrows because they're kind of already thick, but just fill them in a little and wherever it's like what's that word? I just fill it in wherever it is like patchy. I used to like do the whole like pomade, eyebrow pencil, cut the brows. But really that just takes so much work and I'm a lazy hoe. And I'm gonna go get some setting spray and I'll be right back. And then you'll see the final look. Hey guys, so this is the final look. If you like it, please tell me you liked it. If you like it, please go give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment what you thought. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. And there should be some videos over here as well. And go click those, check them out, and bye.